Hi guys, today we're playing Sons of the Forest. It's a sequel to, well, The Forest, and we played that like, I think it was last year? Was it last year?
Yeah, I think so. Maybe the year before, I don't know.
Alright, well we played the first game. It's a survival game with like survival horror elements. A lot of the story happens underground, like there's loads of caves all over the island, and the last game was really fun, and it's going to be really story based, but it's not really a lot of cutscenes, just mainly you explore and you find clues, so hopefully it'll be a bit of fun.
Hopefully this time we won't get murdered by chickens. We'll just stop playing it.
Puff Court.
Where are we getting looked at? Oh.
Sugar Puffs.
Oh, that was a weird experience.
Is Puff the company from last time, from the last game?
I have no, I don't think so.
I can't remember. It's been a while since we played it.
No, I don't remember it being called Puff.
Oh,
Well, that was loud.
yeah. I need new underwear now. Oh, right. Well, he looks creepy.
Edward Puffton. Oh, he's the CEO.
Oh, Puff.
Yeah.
Puff CEO. His wife.
He was a socialite.
Barbara. And his daughter.
Virginia.
Oh, what?
Oh, Virginia Puffton. Isn't that like what was in the first game?
The Virginias.
Yeah.
Which ones were they?
One of the mutants.
Oh, great. She doesn't look like a mutant.
She doesn't.
She looks like more like a member of Greenpeace or something.
She does. She's a student. Okay, so connection free. Last transmission. 1987. Contact points error. So that's the map. Should we close it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, hopefully we won't be in a crash this time. Oh. Fight demons. I just spoke too soon, didn't I?
So in this one we got shot down.
It seems that way, yeah. Did the pilot get you?
What's happening?
Hang in there, mate. I haven't the slightest clue. This is weird.
Like I have semi-control over looking.
Oh, they're alright.
The pilot survived.
I thought he got shot and that's why we... Oh, no.
Why does it remind me of them, do you know animations? The back rooms.
I think the door fell off.
Do you know where the death is just comedic?
Oh, yeah, they do. I know what you mean.
And they just casually walk towards their own demise and do the dumbest thing.
Like, absolutely no self-preservation instinct.
Because he didn't have any self-preservation instinct there, did he?
No.
He just climbed onto the door for some reason.
I don't even see his logic. Oh. He's got a shiny jacket. It's like a member of the Yakuza or something. Ow. Obviously didn't want to
Was
kill
that a
us.
revolver?
It might have been.
Because it had like a... I don't know.
Have a look at the imprint on your face when you wake up. Okay.
Open emergency only. This isn't an emergency, is it?
No, it's not.
Ah.
What's happening?
I don't know, but I'm just looking at the cutes over there.
It just looks like, do you know, we're in one of the Jurassic Parks. Do you know when
Yeah.
the dinosaurs trying to lure somebody in with the body? I think it might be Jurassic Park 3.
That happens? I don't remember
Yeah,
that.
well, basically, they just move in some obviously stupid, jerky motions. And that's what that looked like.
What am I doing?
Oh no, he's alive. It seems. He don't look good.
Oh, it's Kelvin.
Wow.
What is happening?
He's a little bit more responsive.
What do I get him to
Should we get him to follow us?
get sticks?
Get sticks. What for? Are we gonna make a fire?
Maybe.
Get sticks and give to me. We've only just met, but I'm requesting your wood. That just seems cruel, just like sticky noting him. What have we got? Is that a pebble?
I think that's a pebble.
Or just a mound of chewing gum?
C4.
Where's the guy that got crushed by the door?
Oh, back there.
Okay.
On the floor.
Kevin's disappearing. Is it Kevin?
Yeah, he's collecting sticks, I think. No, it's Kelvin.
Kelvin, sorry. You can see why I might get, like, confused there. They're very similar names.
I want it. I want the weapon, what that's relating to.
Oh, there's another shiny thing there.
I got some tarp. Crunchy Wunchies.
Oh no, I thought it looked like a bit like Oogie Woogie on the front. It looks really pretty.
King Oyster.
Don't you think?
Yeah, it does. That was terrifying. I just saw a menacing presence in...
I thought you asked for sticks. These are like nearly trees.
We've got 5 sticks now. We've got a boulder. Okay, we've built something.
That's about all the building you'll do in this
Ooh!
game. Oh, solar panels.
Entire solar panel.
Right, we've got nothing to power, but we've got solar panel. Maybe we should get, do you know, just in case we wander off, get Kevin to follow us.
Maybe. I bet he's collecting more sticks.
Okay, well he just endlessly collects sticks.
Look.
Also, if...
How do I go in my inventory? Ooh, that was... Use items on the mat to open or combine them. What did you say?
I was going to say our elf doesn't look really good.
No, I think we picked up some drugs. Should we eat the drugs?
Yeah. What about Kevin? Do we need to drug him up? I mean, does he have an elf bar or anything?
I don't know.
He can look after himself.
Crunchy Wunchies. Printer resin.
Right, we don't have a printer.
At least you have a solar panel. And 6 sticks.
Thanks to Kevin.
And some blueberries. Some seeds and some king oysters.
Are they oysters? They're mushrooms.
I know.
Oyster mushrooms, I presume.
Open? Open the emergency packet. Oh.
It's not an emergency. Don't do it. No, it's not. Why?
So I've got a guidebook, a GPS, a lighter, and a tactical axe. Tactical axe incoming. Why do we have such a good kill streak already? You okay?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
Great.
Well, that's the best colour.
They're like weird, horrible, contrasting blue and everything.
That?
Yeah, do you know, it looks like a gentleman's club or whatever.
It does. So I've got an axe, I've got a guidebook.
Improvised what?
Kevin! Follow me. Just cease doing whatever you're doing. can't
Please.
believe.
Kevin, can we borrow your skull?
No, we have to find B team.
B team.
No, find BT. No, find like, do you know a company?
The A team.
No, the B team.
Okay.
Do you know BT?
Okay.
You know the phone company.
Oh, you mean like? Oh, now I get what you mean. I was wondering what you're on about.
Oh
We're going to
no.
look for the BT.
Oh no.
You like caves? Oh, solar panels that fit in a box that are way too small for them. Oops, spiders.
Oh, a noose.
It's rope.
Zip line. Rope.
Great.
Some.
Can't you just send Kevin in to the cave?
Do we go to one of the like the things what he's telling us to go to?
Yeah, probably.
Which one?
I don't know.
That one? That one or that one?
That one.
That one.
Yeah, because you're looking at it and I can't bother to try and tell you to go to a different one.
Go with me, Kelvin.
That deer just appeared.
I noticed that.
Kevin! Oh, great. He can't swim then, or paddle. There's a big rock in that box. Berries. Let's not eat any weird berries this time.
That's a favourite activity in the original. Oh, these are like the weird berries. Look. The twin berries. Oh, Kelvin's here. Gavlan's here. Maybe I should equip...
There was somebody. There was... Look. Oh, no, it's a deer. I swear down it was a weird, creepy thing.
Leaves.
I thought it was a weird cryptid. I didn't think it was a deer. It looked like somebody on all fours, and then I just look and it's a freaking deer.
You're magical.
Honestly, it looked like something.
I believe you.
Right.
He's become the lord of this realm. I remember leaves being important. So I'm collecting every single leaf in the known continent.
Can't you just get Kevin to collect the leaves?
That's slave labor.
I don't think...
That's cute.
I don't think it's slave labor. He kind of needs it to look after himself as well, it seems. It's not like he can't just say no when you request that he does it. There's the tent.
Oh no.
So, I think we found the occupants. They're nice decorations. We only use for laptops.
A vodka. Some drugs.
What's the book?
Not vodka.
Okay. The last thing he wanted to hold on to was that letter. It's pristine, got no bloodstains on it or anything.
Read golf balls. Miss Goldstein to Hank Keys. Hank, you spent all this time to get him on a golf course, and you haven't ordered any golf clubs or balls. How are we supposed to play golf? Miles Goldstein.
Okay. Maybe you just don't play golf.
Who wants to play golf anyway?
I hate it.
I do.
I hate it and I haven't even tried doing it.
How the hell do I get rid of this out of my hand?
So that's what he wanted to hold on to in his final moments. A letter about
Can opener.
not having any balls.
Cooking pot.
There was a book, I was just curious what it was. You know, completely irrelevant.
Where?
There.
The holographic tree.
Great.
I already hate it.
Postmodernism.
I hate it. Oh, we got some batteries. Devil's Club.
No, that's an edgy name. That's nice.
How did we miss this?
I don't know.
How did we miss these things? We almost walked past it.
What is it? What is it?
Is it cute?
No, not that. That.
I think it's part of a bike.
Okay, I just thought it was a bike, like a one-wheeled bike. I was like, ow! How does that work out? Don't do that. Don't think that was a good idea. Poor Kevin, you scared him.
Oh no, he doesn't look good.
He's not even looking, so I don't know.
Fuck. I don't think anyone looks good.
Extract them or whatever. What was that?
9mm.
Okay.
That's a grenade.
Uh,
Well, I'm fucking petrified now.
don't run towards them, Kevin. Oh, we could use Kevin as a tactical decoy.
Oh god. I don't know where Kevin is. Kevin. Help me. I feel just so much terror. What the fuck just happened?
Wow.
I think I'm getting some form of like, I can't see anything.
They're really agile.
What the fuck? I'm not having fun. Die.
We've got some food now, at least. But, I mean, that's if you can be a cannibal this time. Which you probably will be if you could.
Might not be able to because we're like actually trained, aren't we?
Can Kevin die?
Oh,
Oh, it's bones now. Well, that was creepy.
that worked a little bit too well. It sent the bones, it insta-buried them.
That dude got cremated and buried.
Oh, go home, you drunk.
He's gone. Oh, he's back.
Hopefully they drowned. That'd be funner.
I wouldn't hold up hopes on that.
I'm gonna die. I hate this.
Can we just run?
Why?
Oh, what the? There is. She's got arms. She's the woman. She's
Okay,
Virginia, isn't she?
that happened.
Are you not gonna follow her?
She's gone.
So the entity before, was that the one with all the arms and the legs in the other game?
Maybe. Yeah.
I can remember there was. I remember trying to remember what the entities were called. No, there was one called Armsies, weren't there?
Yeah.
Was it Armsies? That
Armsies
the one-
was the one what was like super weird.
What was the one like the chicken?
Virginia was the one what was like spider,
Oh, right.
if I remember correctly.
Well, that was really creepy and uncanny.
I don't.
She just looked normal, except for being like in a bodysuit, which probably would be the best attire for being out here. But like,
No.
she had extra arms.
Oh no. I thought that was like some form of pterodactyl for a second.
You play too much art.
Oh. That's cool. Oh, there's so much stuff here. Just there. Oh, light bulb. That's just a load of tar. Oh,
Is this the marker that we were sent to?
what the hell?
It's getting a bit dark. We're gonna have
It
to
is.
find a camp or something.
No.
Why does Random Nautica always send you to the stupidest places? Oh, out at sea? That's fine. That's where whatever you want is.
Fire.
I'm just expecting him to come up with a lighter and set fire to
Same.
your newly made tarpaulin tent.
And then sleep. Yeah. Because for some reason it's super dark all of a sudden.
We're starving, we're dying of thirst, he still hasn't built a fire. All night, Kevin. But that's food to you.
Okay, I just went inside of it.
Oh, these like finally made it to land, but they were already caught, it seems. I don't know, it might be better out at sea than being on this island. At least he had a toothbrush.
What's happening? Why am I just unable to move? So what the fuck is that?
It's a seagull in it. On some
Oh,
debris. Is it on some debris or has it just got a weird shadow?
I don't know.
It's a
Da-da-da-da.
MRE.
And that's a gun.
Okay. What's the really round thing on the floor?
What?
There. There was like a little ball. The seagull.
Oh, we've got a GPS locator.
Oh yeah.
What's
Oh,
up with
there.
that?
Yeah.
I have no idea what that is.
I mean, normally seagulls are happy with fish and chips, but they just want to eat that guy.
Ah!
What? Is it a shark?
If it was a shark or it was a seagull sliding across the water.
Okay, that actually sounds scarier than the shark.
I'm unsure. I genuinely think we should watch that back because I'm just terrified.
Yeah. I'm also gonna like watch the thing that I thought was a skinwalker, but turned out just to be a deer. Oh,
Oh,
that's so cute. Where's Kev?
is that there?
Okay.
I've just let him, live his
Oh.
life.
So, what's our next plan of action?
Oh no. Go on the map. Unequip the gun. Maybe we should go. We could go up there.
Yeah. I feel like the other... It's like a dead whale or something.
Maybe sharks like in the first one.
I think it could be sharks, yeah. It looks like it is a shark, maybe.
Yeah.
Oh no, it is a
No.
whale. Like an orca.
Ugh.
That's gross. Is that another one there as well?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, that's horrid. cause them to wash up?
I don't know. It's like the sharks in the first one.
I don't know. Don't they normally? They're like they normally eat sharks, don't they? Killer whales.
Yeah, but I mean, maybe it's like what happened to the sharks in the first one.
Yeah, maybe.
No.
It might. I mean, there's only 2. It might be something natural, but.
Got some coins and a noose.
With all the
Is cut them down. Well, that's menacing, isn't it?
Yeah.
We have to remember their capital city on the coast. Oh, no.
I don't know. There probably is some bigger settlements.
That's concerning.
He's just hanging out.
Wait, is he tied?
Oh yeah, he is. Shy guy.
Do I murder it?
I don't know. I mean, do you want to eat him? I feel like if you let him out, he'll just go for you and eat you.
Yeah, do I murder it?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's free. Help. Oh, I can skin it. I can skin the mole rat. Oh, it provides creepy armor. Okay.
To the cave.
Yeah,
Yeah.
didn't it?
It did look like a bit.
Oh no.
It's not one of the underwater entries again, is it?
I hope not.
I kind of like it when the caves are just hidden and they don't tell you where they are, but part of me, I can't. It reduces the chance of missing something, doesn't it?
Yeah. Ooh, ooh. I don't think we're getting very far in this cave.
Oh, what the hell? I mean, why is he sat in his front room in the cave? Do you know, on his armchair? You might want to take that. It might
What?
be useful. Your night vision. I feel like there's no one innocent to use it on except for Kevin.
I
These
don't think I'm allowed down that. Why?
Those underwater batties.
Alright, underwater battles.
Aqua batties.
Oh, that sounds really adorable. What time is it? Outside again, Nick.
Yeah.
Because we need the scuba gear. Pretty
Right.
obvious.
But we've got the night vision now. I feel like it was mainly flat on the other one until you actually got to the mountain range.
Look at the
top.
map.
There's like snow.
No.
What?
In front of where we're facing. It looks barren. It's like just a massive crash.
I don't
Isn't
know.
it?
It's like a line. I don't know what it means.
It kind of looks like, do you know a plane crash?
But that'd be absolutely massive.
I know. Maybe a really tiny plane. It just looks so barren and weird. And out of place.
But we're like in it now, and it's like a plane. Is it like an old runway?
Maybe? I think it's gotta be. Bubs. So, they're so adorable.
They are. This is strange.
I thought it was a pig.
A pig.
I'll be
I
honest.
thought the deer was like a skinwalker song. They're like golf buggies. What's AH? Is it AH? That's stupid. This is just. Oh, what the?
We need the Top Gear music!
Yeah.
This is perfection. Where is the rest of them? I will end thee in my chariot. Oh, buzzard.
Aw. I think it's eating the corpse of the, you know, your hit and run victim.
This is the best thing I've ever been in.
It's great. No! What's wrong?
Why is this so effective? How the hell did I get out? Gee.
I thought we were going to be in that permanently.
Ha! I've never felt more powerful in this.
It's kind of funny, yeah.
What the f...
Was it the bird? Oh.
Ah!
Giant elk.
That's just the most terrifying thing I've seen today. Do you know the cannibals and all that? Scary. Elk? Absolutely human.
Is it Kevin?
Kelvin, how the hell? How? What? How?
Kev!
Squirrel.
Squirrel. Are you going to make him look like a geography teacher?
Shall we do it?
Yeah, go on. Oh, stylish, Kev. I like how he's wearing it with like combats and boots.
God, he's imposing. Bambi. Could have run over Bambi. Why did I say that so calmly? Should I get Kev to come with us? You don't even look like Kev anymore, he just looks like Brian. Don't he?
Yeah, it's Brian from Accounts.
Yeah. Oh.
Wait. Squirrel.
I really just want to ride in the golf things more.
No, because you ran over a squirrel last time.
I ran over a lot of things last time.
It was just roadkill.
Got some more printer resin.
Get back to your cart. No, don't drive off the edge of the cliff. Now we're stuck.
You misunderstand the beautiful engineering that these golf things have.
They don't seem to be damaged. I mean, that one did like a complete
Da.
cartwheel. No!
Oh!
Ouch! How is the...
Ah!
Oh, the bush was rolling down the hill.
Ow.
Can we knock the tree down with it?
I don't know.
It's like the ultimate multi-purpose weapon.
So tell me today, how much do you feel these beautiful demonstrations of human technology? This is perfection. I could spend hours in this machine. What do you think?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a barra.
I don't think it's that practical for all of the island.
I don't know what you mean.
Just this specifically flat runway bit.
Yeah. But what if I went into a cave with it and just ran over all of the mutants?
For one, you've got to like navigate into the caves on foot. Unless you can put in your inventory and like take it back out again while you're in there. I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah, but just imagine running over like these ancient monstrosities with a golf thing.
Was that a bird?
Hollow Springs, an exclusive luxury.
Always ready for you. Always
Actual-
meeting the Isaacs. So this was like
Bunker.
a bunker community.
Oh.
Oh, is this This is so
That's
weird.
concerning.
So there were people living here.
Yeah. I want to look at the back again.
What's Drogue custom or something? Customize your own today. Great. It's like the big, do you know underneath Liminal Land, the massive
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
home place?
Da-da-da-da-da.
No, that didn't work. There's a plane parked there.
I wanted to see if I went over the plane.
Hi, you.
Oh, I don't know how to drive.
He just looks like, he kind of looks more human than the rest. He's just...
His shins have been broken, but he does not care.
Why are we off-roading in this thing?
Why is it going well?
Don't say that. We've been mounting things. Ow. Be careful, there's animaloids.
Ow! Hello there.
Don't kill Kevin. I think he's telling you not to be so cruel. You don't need to get like...
Kevin! Kevin! Oh, we're free from Kevin's grasp. Why do I feel like half of this video is going to be us just running around in this fucking golf cart? Oh, Bambi!
Don't hit Bambi. There's a box there. I don't think we've opened it. Okay, let's just looking at this leaflet.
Vanessa chef custom menus, fully catered media room.
A personal chef.
Yeah.
I want one of those. I'll live on the bunker if I get a personal chef.
So much free money.
Which is absolutely useless here.
No, it's useful.
For burning.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think it's got more use in society as an old.
Oh no, a leather jacket.
Right. Do you want that when the corpse has been in it?
Oh no, he's next to the corpse.
Okay, that's fine. He probably took it off, do you know, after being dead for several hours.
MRE.
Ages ago.
Oh yeah, those...
Let's just forget about it. It's on the map, I suppose. No! Oh. I thought you'd lost your golf cart. Oh! No. Why did that scare me so much? I knew it was going to happen, but still it scared me.
This is the most terrifying experience of my life.
I just can imagine Kevin behind us, like, running, trying to keep up. As we're joyriding. What the hell?
How are you?
Can you not?
We?
I don't think it's elves great.
No, no, that's fine.
I mean, not elf, the other thing. Is it injury? Fatigue? I don't know what it is.
What? I don't know what that is.
I don't know what it is either. Oh, careful! No! Squirrel! What's wrong with you? Why would you?
It never happened. The corpse was not there.
Oh, the other... How come we're back here again?
Oh no.
We've just been driving around in a circle.
Well, you told me we need to go here.
So it looks like something was going off here at some point.
Yeah,
So
I'm
this
very...
is definitely a runway, and there was a crashed plane, and
Some cannibals.
yeah, some like golf buggy cart things.
Don't know why
There's
they're
definitely
here.
some kind of underground facility again, like the other place.
Except this time it's luxury.
Yeah, people were living here.
That's very concerning.
I can't remember the name of the other company that was involved, but AH isn't the company that we're working for, the Puffton company, so...
Oh no. We're allowed to go even further.
I think that like one of the companies mentioned was Drogue or something.
Yeah.
Obviously something strange has been going off here. Obviously... Oh! No!
Kelvin, run! Kelvin, run! Ah!
Oh no!
Kelvin, run faster!
this from your experience on Long Dark with the elk?
Yes, yes, yes. I like my ribs.
No! Don't drive into the pool. Let's try and conserve our vehicle.
Is this how these things are supposed to work?
Ah! Why? I think that one's running away though. I don't think it's chasing. Fortunately.
I don't think it realised we were here.
What the hell? I don't know whether it might be better just like trying to navigate from. This is really disorientating.
I feel like I've taken some hard drugs.
We've gone that much. Is this top of the waterfall from before?
Yeah.
So we're near the other cave entrance.
We are. It's just around the other edge. How the hell? Why is the physics in this thing so perfect? Ow. Also, is the battery life like how much health it has? I'm realising. I mean, it might be health.
Has it got solar panels on top?
Maybe. I'm gonna have a stroke if it carries on like this.
Why?
What? Why are you saying why?
I think we're stuck now.
Oh, we
Oh,
can
it
throw
floats. Yay.
it. We can throw it as well.
Oh.
So we could save it from anywhere. Why?
I can't. Why is this something you can do?
What?
This.
The guitar. It's just the best part of the game. What'd you say?
It is quite fun, but.
Oh, no, I think it is just the actual battery. So, yeah, it's got solar panels.
Okay.
So it lasts permanently. It's a permanent source of power and control. What we should not have. Where are we going?
It's like the ultimate mode of transport, the ultimate weapon.
The ultimate defense. No! This is perfection! Oh my god. The fact that this is working disturbs me greatly. What's up? We've saved
Nothing,
it.
I'm just. Oh, great.
Why are you saying oh great?
I was kind of hoping that we wouldn't be taking it with us.
At this point, it's become more of a personal project of mine than our else.
So if you had to choose between Kelvin and the buggy, who would you pick?
The buggy.
Oh no, poor Kev.
Oh, that's the cave.
Yeah, you know it's going to despawn while you're inside.
If so, we have to go.
Wow, that's strange.
It is.
Oh, didn't the weird people with the flowers exist in the other game?
Yeah, the realm beyond.
The realm beyond? Have you lost all hope and happiness? It sounds like a cult.
Mm.
Derek Seaside.
I'm glad we agree it's a cult.
It could be an innocent self-help book,
But look at these.
Cult.
Yeah.
They look like Morris Dances.
Cult. Time to enter the cave.
Do you know they're like people from Wicker Man?
Yeah.
Sacrifice cult.
Okay. I think that kind of tells us that we're not getting in here, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I need that.
There's quite a few people here though. These bodies don't look like they've been left a super long time.
No. Got some cloth and some... ore.
It looks like pyrite or something. Do you know fool's gold?
It's weird. Because why would there be so much of it? What the hell's making that noise?
Like, oh, it's nice, it's warm, it's freezing.
Oh no.
Don't do it. Do it, do it, do
Da,
it.
da,
Yeah.
da, da, da. Oh! 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 How's everyone?
So you didn't even need to wear your seatbelt. Didn't, like, kill the bloody cannibals or whatever they are.
Yeah, I mean, I'm... Ah!
But, like, knocking... Oh. Virginia. Is there...
Hello there, love, how are you?
Okay. Can we do anything with her? Interact with her at all?
Oh no.
Don't run her over. Look at her arm. That is so weird. Oh, she's got an extra leg. I don't even know how she's walking. It's so bizarre.
I'm just gonna...
There's cultists. Are they dead? There's some weird... Okay.
Slingshot. Oh, they've been like murdered and like sacrificed.
It seems that way, yeah.
Oh, I don't like that. Well, I mean...
And then we're going in there in the night, like this is somewhere safe.
Well, normally they are more safe outside, aren't they?
Yeah, but I feel like them guys have probably been left there as a warning, like anyone who trespasses, they're gonna get killed. You know what I mean? They're gonna end up like these pieces. What's that?
Well, this is creepy.
Okay, we're gonna leave it there for today. We had fun. We went committing road rage on a golf buggy. We met Virginia, who's got extra limbs, and that's about it, really.
And Kevin became a history tutor.
Yeah, okay, so we'll probably be back in the next couple of days with the next episode of Sons of the Forest. Thank you.
Bye.